To increase viewership and improve the chances of being seen, it is important to optimize your videos. There are a different number of steps that you can take to ensure that your content is seen by as many people as possible. By following these guidelines, you should be able to increase your viewership and improve your chances of being seen by a large audience. Hello, fellow entrepreneurs. S.W.McCall here, author of the Rainbow Inn Chronicles, High Moon, and really excited for that new Gotham Knights game. Today I'm going to share with you 5 tips that you can use to increase viewership on your YouTube channel. As always, click that like and subscribe button so you don't miss any of our tips and tricks. Tip number 1, by finding the right keywords, you can ensure that your video is being seen by the people that are actually looking for those words. Additionally, you can use keywords to tag your videos, which in turn can help other people find your content. Conducting keyword research is a process that I just mentioned. It is absolutely crucial to optimizing your YouTube videos. Now, there are a number of different tools that you can use to do this, and you should find the one that works best for you. Personally, TubeBuddy is my favorite tool, mainly because I find it convenient and efficient, but it does the job well, does it quickly, and it ensures that it gets done the right way. Tip number 2, a thumbnail to your video is like the cover to a book, in the sense that it's going to be one of the first things that the viewer sees. Now, there are a number of different factors that you need to consider when creating a thumbnail, but the 2 most important are to ensure that the thumbnail is visually appealing and also that it is accurately representing the content that it's attached to. Simply put, if you make a thumbnail that's not interesting, no one's going to want to watch your video. On the other hand, if you make a thumbnail that's super interesting and catches the viewer's attention but has absolutely nothing to do with the video, then you're misleading them. And sure, they may click on the first 1 or 2 videos that you do that with, but going further, they're not going to be clicking on any of the videos, as you're abusing the trust of your viewers, and that in turn is going to make them mistrust you. Remember, no amount of money or views is worth abusing your viewers. Tip number 3, you have a very limited amount of space to make a first impression. So it's super important whenever the opportunity does come up that not only do you make the thumbnail accurate and interesting, but you also do the same with the title. The title is one of the first things that potential viewers will see when they come across your video. And if you want to ensure that you get more potential viewers, you absolutely need to have a hook in your title. Now, what a hook is an element that captures the viewer's attention and makes them want to know a little bit more in some way. A few ways that you can do this are by using a question like, how to, for example, challenge common beliefs, or giving a short example on how this video can solve a pain point for your viewer. Remember, like with the thumbnail, this needs to be accurate and appealing. Do not make a video that is misleading. Tip number 4, when you create a playlist, you're grouping your videos together in a way that makes it easy for people to browse. By creating an optimized playlist, you are increasing the chances that your videos are being seen by people who are interested in that topic. This also has the added benefit of assisting your viewers in discovering some of your other videos that they may not have otherwise discovered. Teach them more about your content, and in turn, even optimize your videos even more to reach even more potential viewers. This is why if you are doing a YouTube channel whatsoever, you absolutely need to create an optimized playlist for your videos, as the dividends can come tenfold. And tip number 5, by writing in a way that's easy to understand and entertaining, you can draw in even a larger audience, while at the same time keeping it easy for your current audience to stay engaged. You see, by using scripts that are tailored to your videos, you can create a more personalized experience for your viewers. With this being said, any of the scripts that you write should be engaging and informative in some way, shape, or form. These are going to be crucial to engaging with your audience. Some of the small things that you can do that help include asking questions, having your viewers leave comments in the videos, and even have them become a part of the video and branding design, allowing them to have a hand in the development of your channel/brand. These have been 5 tips to help to optimize your YouTube videos. If you found these helpful, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our tips and tricks. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below, and I will try to get back with all of them. And if you watched this video up until this point, I'm going to take a moment and assume that you're probably a YouTuber like myself. If that is the case, feel free to click on this video right here, as in here, I discuss 5 of the best video editing softwares that I personally use that can help increase the efficiency and quality of your videos.